Come on, your lads of high renown, let me hear of a fair young maiden. And she rode out on a summer's day to view the soldiers parading. They marched so bold and they looked so gay, the colours are flying and the bands did play. And it caused young Mary for to say, "Oh, where you be, gallant soldier?" She viewed the soldiers on parade, and as they stood at their leisure, and Mary to herself did say, "At last I found my treasure, but oh, how cruel my parents must be, to banish me darlings afar from me. And I'll leave them all and I'll go with thee, my bold undaunted soldier." Ah, Mary dear, your parents' love, I pray don't be unruly, for when you're in a foreign land, believe me you'll rue it surely. Perhaps in battle I might fall from a shot from an angry cannonball. You so far from your daddy's hall, be advised by a gallant soldier. I have 50 guineas in bright gold, likewise a heart that's older. She'll leave them all, I'll go with you. Be bold, undaunted soldier, so don't say no, but let me go, and I will face the daring foe. We'll march together to and fro, I know where to be, gallant soldier. And when he saw her loyalty, Mary so true-hearted, he said, "Me darling, Mary will be, and nothing but death the heart does. And when we're in a foreign land,